I would say if you want to achieve realism, as I did, go out and study the prototype. Go take pictures. Don't just do what's cute. Don't buy some cute model because it has a flashing billboard on the top. That's not the way you're going to get satisfaction. Go out, spend lots of time studying the real world, pick the area you want to model, then work to recreate that.
If Neal was so into realism, then why the compromise of using three-rail track?
People often ask me why I went with three-rail, and that's actually a very easy question to answer. If they were still making three-rail trains like they did when I was in high school, I would have never done it. They look like toys. But today, they're scale models, but they're just meant to operate on three-rail track. The biggest single reason is the signals. I love signals, and I've been doing that since I was in high school. And by having that extra rail, my signals operate just like the prototype. I ground the two outer rails, and it activates a relay, and that's what controls the signals. And that is what the prototype does. The layout has progressed pretty much as I had anticipated. I did it in 3 phases. Phase 1 was just a U to get some trains up and running. Second phase made a complete loop around the room. And by 2004, I had the center peninsula up and running. So the whole main line was in.